Alright, so we're supposed to go to Nuno Bikini Falls. I don't know if this is the entrance.
Oh, Matt's taking us to some Spirited Away type of shit. Let's just.
I mean, according to the map, it's over here. No, there's nowhere. This leads to nowhere. It's a wall.
George.
Not my fault. Okay.
Go, George. It's gotta be that one.
Okay.
Okay, give me the. Okay, I'm going down. Honestly, we have a better chance of walking up the water stream, right?
So apparently this place is a really cool place to go. Like there's a big waterfall now, but I don't even know. Do you understand it?
What the f? Supposed to be here?
Yeah.
My dog, why are we here then?
How we get there?
It's over there, bro.
Are you sure? Why, that looks like the city, Tyler.
Wait, hold on. So it's somewhere over here. Wait. This is the Shinkansen, right?
Yeah.
It's behind the Shinkansen. It's over there somewhere. We gotta find a path that goes underneath. Okay, according to my calculations, it is a path that goes underneath the Shinkansen.
Okay.
But according to Noah, he's gonna explore.
No, he's gonna explore.
Can you turn right, Noah? Is there a path that goes right?
Nothing?
Scary abandoned shit.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, on the map, I am pretty confident it starts in the middle of the Shinkansen.
Okay. We're going back to the train.
Why were you on the map, dude?
Okay, then go on the map.
Oh my god.
Actually, no, maybe you check it on your map because you can actually see the 3D. Okay.
Okay, what's the name?
It's called Nuno Bikini Falls.
Nuno?
N-U-N-O-B-I-K-I.
Yeah.
So you're saying we had to climb up these ladders? So we had to go back to the train station because we think that it might be here connected to the park. Oh yeah, and then we're in Kobe right now. Yeah, it's only like 20 minutes away from where we were staying at my grandma's place. We have to go in?
Left, so. Yeah. We have to find a way down from here.
Well, I saw an escalator down there. Yeah, they're going.
Escalator
Is that going up?
It might be. Well, it has to be.
I can ask this guy. Tourist information. So we got the map now. We actually, we walked by it. It's actually underground. We started from the second floor. But yeah, it doesn't look that long, but it looks fun.
Yeah, it looks like max like 25 minutes.
But on the hiking map, it's just a long time.
I think those are for the unathletic people.
No, it's 12 kilometers long.
Well, a lot of people we saw around doing the hiking were a bunch of old ladies. That's why it probably takes a long time.
And you'll see a big sign. Oh, left, right? She said left. Oh yeah, okay.
Big chiller. How'd you go right?
We're going. Yeah, okay.
Are you a hot spring? There's a hot spring here. Yo.
Yeah, we're going down the road, I guess. Oh, this is a taxi? Fancy. So yeah, we're going here. Nuno Biki no Can you read that, Ty? In front of us. Oh, looks like the trail starts now. So yeah, we're gonna see that fall there. Yeah, that's the view. Oh, that's the riverbank apparently that she was talking about. Where's Noah? Oh, there. You ready? Ty, you ready? This guy, look at what he's wearing. It's cold. Ready? It's only 6 feet away.
Swim? I'm sure we could swim that, no problem.
You think Olympic players can swim that? So we're finally on the trail.
What are these Nazi signs?
I don't even know. Okay, wait, where do you have to go? Sick. So we gotta go left. Yeah, left.
You gotta get Daddy.
Daddy? Oh my, what is this?
Oh god.
This is the entrance? This is dead ass the entrance?
This is 227 meters up.
Okay, wait, do you want to go to Mentakai Falls? Or Mentakai Falls? You want to do this one first? Oh no, which one?
This is 100 meters. So
okay.
Yo, are you sure you don't do that?
Yeah.
I ain't
I'm taking a break, bro. I'm not gonna die like this. You know, I got up that mountain, I didn't even look at the view. I was just there, I got up, I was like, fuck. And I was just sitting there looking down the whole time. Fuck. This shit. Whoa!
Okay, now it's a little chilly again.
Yeah, that was cold. No, as soon as we go up those staircases now, it's gonna be so
Yeah, it's gonna be hot. That was said by Noah. Yeah, I know. I think you can get that. I think the video can get that. Oh, it's right here. Oh, damn, it's right here. Oh, oh, this is a new. Okay, we're gonna go here.
I can survive this.
Okay, what? Oh, Jesus Christ! Holy! Oh, that's crazy.
Took a break last night.
Holy Dad! Yo! Yo! What's going on, bro?
That's crazy,
Bro, holy shit! Oh my God, bro! Holy crap! And now it goes. Jesus Christ! That was wild. The grind starts now. Let's go!
Dark on tire, let's take a break.
Okay.
It keeps going. It might not be the same.
I don't think it's the same. Where we belong, West Virginia. So we're only like, what, 15 minutes into this hike. This is our first point. And there's a little one right there. But yeah, there's people coming down. These old people are like, oh yeah, you're about to get real wet when we get to the top. So yeah, and I have some dope shoes that I haven't worn for a hike, so I can't wait to get this dirty. So I got some white shoes. It rained yesterday heavily all day, so like right now it's like very yucky out here. Oh, so we have to literally make our own path. Oh, this is bad. This is, oh my lord. We're saying we have to use this? Yo, Noah, I want to jump in. It doesn't look that bad from here. Oh, I can see it wet up there.
The guy was like, it might feel a little slippery. Well, look how far the hole in the waterfall here.
Okay, yeah, let's keep going.
Okay,
Just finished our hike. Nope.
not yet.
There she is. Okay, I'm just gonna show you how wet it can get, okay? Oh my god, because it gets really, really wet here. Oh my god, this is terrifying. Oh Jesus. See, the water's just pounding on me. Holy is coming down really, really, really hard. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sit there. We bowl! We bowl! Oh, holy shit! Oh my god, I'm soaked! Oh! Oh! Okay, that was stupid. That was so dumb. That was so dumb. Oh, that was such a stupid idea. Holy shit. Okay, I need to get back to dry land, bro. Oh my god, it's coming down. Dude, I'm soaked. Oh. Look. Oh, dude, it's still wet. Do you go in? My god. We got to the peak, and at the peak there's like a little mini restaurant with vending machine up here. Oh, there's more over here, I think. Oh, this is straight, dude, this is straight at the house. Actually, never mind, I lied. I think that there might be more up here. Dude, this is someone's house. Yamaguchi's house. Oh my god. I gotta dry out with the sun. Oh, but this place is too nice, bro.
What's it called? Yumi wants to see this now. Taichi's mom. Yo, it's so calm compared to over there. I think this is one of the views. Yo, let's see up this one. That's all the building is. That
They might cut one rope, it's gone.
So we're just climbing up this mountain, right? And I think that's the bridge we have to go over there.
Not a chance.
And it's a see-through bridge.
Not a chance.
Tyler's gonna do it because he loves heights, and we love heights too. But yeah, it's just gonna be exciting. Oh shit, we were down all the way down there.
Where were we?
All the way down there. That's the little house that we chilled. Yeah, that's pretty sick. I think we're reaching the top, but it's very. You can't see from here, but you can see the entire city of Kobe over there. No, I don't know. No, oh yeah, no, it's tying his shoes. There was a bridge over there, a see-through bridge. We wanted to do it, but no, it's closed. I was so lucky you can't go on it.
It's for the gondola. It's not for people.
Yeah, it's for the gondola, just in case the gondola fell or something. I don't know. That's my theory. It's getting real cold up here. See the gondola? So we're 700 meters away from the top, and apparently at the top it's a castle, a Japanese castle or something. I have no idea what it is, but it's very windy up here. Holy shit! You can tell. You probably can hear by the audio too. I'm not wet anymore. I think we took the longest route. No, do you agree?
Yeah.
What? It's me, bro. What'd you say? I can't. It's not translating.
Oh my god. Let me show you this shrine really quick. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's holy shit! Oh. This is the castle ruin. Nah. Where? This? Talking to you? No, I'm trying to translate. History of Johoku. History of Johoku. Okay, good to know. So we just got to the very top, and this is what the end looks like. Oh, I just got hit by a pine cone. Oh! Anyways, so this says, that shrine says history of Johoku. I'm not sure who it is, but most of very popular, famous here in Kobe. Yeah? Ow! Oh! The rocks are hitting our legs! It's so windy! Ow, my hand! Ty, you want to put that bag in my bag? Are you sure? I got room. So we ended up getting onto a random road from the mountain. We're probably gonna go down the mountain
down this road to go back to the city, just in case we get lost or something. But yeah, such a random location.
We're like 300 meters in the fucking road.
Yeah, so we have to go down here, I believe, by looking at the Google Maps. But what's over here, though? Are you? Oh.
What the fuck is this? This is not Japanese.
I don't know. We don't even know where we are, but we can see the entire city of Kobe. It's awesome. And then we were way over there. Oh, this is a dope place to eat breakfast or lunch. So we're almost to the civilization. Anyways, I think we're like 10 minutes away from back to the city. This guy's still going. Okay, we now see houses and buildings. Yeah, I'm gonna get copyrighted. Yeah, we're in the middle of the road because there's no sidewalks anywhere. Ty, you want something?
I'm good. I still got it.
Hold it. Hold it on the back.
You can just talk to him. What's up, guys? Big chillin'. We just finished. How long was that hike?
Fucking like 4 hours.
No.
It was like 3 hours, I think, of us walking around. Maybe 4, 3.5.
The wind was...
It's crazy wind. Now we're on ground floor. No wind at all. Can I swear?
Yes.
Okay. So we're buying vending machine shit because Noah didn't bring any
Also,
liquids.
it's my fault. It's my fault, huh?
It is his fault. Right now we're in like middle of LA in Japan for some reason.
Middle of LA, yes.
Very, very Western style buildings here. I mean, or European. I don't fucking know anymore.
I have no idea what I just bought. Gym Energy. Strong.
Strong as it all.
What did you buy, George?
Oh shit, it's like nuclear green.
23% alcohol.
Oh yeah. Yeah, they just sell those in vending machines, right? They do sell alcohol in vending machines, right? But you need ID.
That's very sweet.
Oh, that's just straight peach juice.
Oh, that's just peach juice, yeah. Here. Let's keep going.
Yep. Oh, actually, I want to throw this away here. Because there's only a few garbage cans around here.
Bombs, bro.
Much needed.